cook saw manufacturing. And I wanted to show you a couple of items that we build, kind of specialty things that we build. The new one that I'm going to be showing you today is this bush hog, pull behind bush hog. You can hook it to your four-wheeler. I've actually done it a little bit with my golf cart. But we manufacture, we're a portable sawmill, bandsaw mill manufacturer, of course, and so that is our main emphasis. But anything that needs cutting, and sometimes we like a machine or want a machine, we'll build one. And so we're going to offer this machine for sale in the future, and hopefully it will fit our customers, those of y'all who, many of y'all will be doing the same type things that we do, just born in the country and live in the country. And so I wanted to show that to you, and we'll show you some of the basic features here in a little bit. But then additionally, I want to show you just other things that we do, like our Trailblazer machine right here. We sell quite a few of these. We've been selling these for years, and just wanted to show it to you. It's not a sawmill, but it's got saw blades on it. We're into cutting stuff, and we sell a lot of these. We're talking, and this one actually has a remote control, so you use it from a skid steer. But we're going to be adapting these where you can put on an excavator and possibly even on a front end loader on a tractor. So we have sold them that go on front end loaders to a tractor. So we can do a lot of whatever you want to do. And so if you have any needs or machinery tied to sawmilling, bandsaw blades, metal manufacturing that's tied to sawmill equipment type things, then we can do that. Roller beds, all kind of things, log loaders. So we do that, and have been doing it since we've been in business since the early 70s, and been building these sawmills since the early to mid 90s. And so we can kind of do whatever you might need done along these lines. So we appreciate it. I'm going to show this cutting, this bush hog, and then we'll say a little bit more about it. What this bush hog will do. It's obviously not the same thing as one behind a tractor, but almost anything you can pull over with a four-wheeler or something of that size, if you can push it over, it will cut it if you give it just a little bit of time. We just went, you saw around our boneyard, sometime we call it, and there's all kind of stuff out there. I've ran over some old wood and slabs, but we're high enough up that I'm not hitting that, and you can clean up and see where you're going. I'm going to try to get a little bit of picture where you're just mowing in a pasture here in a little while maybe. But this is adjustable. This one's manual adjustable. I don't think you'll move it a lot, but there's a bolt on both sides that lets this whole thing pivot down, or you can lift it up. We can make that electric as well. We can make the controls electric from where you can operate it actually from the four-wheeler or whatever you're on. Notice that it is offset, which is just wonderful. And basically wherever I was putting the right-hand side of my four-wheeler, that's where the bush hog comes in, right behind it. It can be offset to do that on the left side, the right side, or to pull straight. It's very nice to have it off to the side when you're getting up close to fences or doing like I'm doing and cutting around existing roads and things, just to open it up some. So that's just a little demonstration of this nice bush hog. Something I just love it. Everything about that, I just love it. And if you have an interest in this, then give us a call. and we'll be able to build them for you, help you out in any way you want. If you wanted one bigger, a little smaller, we can do just any kind of thing, more horsepower. Sometime, you know, as I was cutting with that, I'm going, our 5-foot would be a little bit better than a 4-foot. This is a 4-foot one. So anyway, we appreciate your interest in everything that we do here at Cook Saw. Sawmill stuff, that's who we are. If you need a portable band sawmill, give us a call. But we also build the Trailblazer, of course, edgers and roller beds for sawmills, and now we've added this bush hog on as well. So we're going to be adding different items that we think will help, little gang saw rigs, all kind of things like that will help you in your sawing in your everyday life. So we appreciate it and appreciate your interest. Thank you.